Hello, welcome back. Today I'm sharing how to create this elegant and easy updo, perfect for proms, weddings, or any special occasion. This video is sponsored by Luxy Hair, and I wanted to use this look to show you something I know a lot of you ask about, how to make updos look fuller if you have finer hair. Now, I'm using Luxy's Seamless collection in Bronde Balayage. They blend beautifully and are so comfortable even when your hair is up. For this look, I clipped 2 4-clip wefts near the crown for volume. You want them to sit above where you'll be securing your hair. Then I clipped the 2 2-clip wefts angled at the sides so they lay flat when your hair is up. I'll link everything I'm using in the description below, including a discount code if you'd like to try them. Start by gathering your hair into a ponytail at ear height using your left hand. With your right hand, tightly twist the ponytail away from your face twice, then bring it up towards the top of your head. Now secure with either pins or a DIY bungee. I'm using one today. And you just slide your bobby pin into the top right side of your twist, pull it across, and slide in your second pin to hold everything in place. Sometimes I slide in some extra bobby pins just to be sure. Now take the ends and wrap them around the top of your twist to form your bun, continuing until they're fully wrapped. And if any shorter layers fall out, leave them. They add that soft, romantic detail that just makes the hairstyle feel effortless. Once wrapped, secure all around your bun with French pins. I'll link my how-to video below. And for the ends, I like to curl them slightly and then just pin them to the right of the twist just under the bun. This trick is also great for hiding pins if you used them. But I just love the detail it adds to this beautiful updo, and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.